A simple trip to the beach has turned potentially deadly. A swimmer in Iowa was hit with a life-threatening infection of the brain.
This so-called brain-eating amoeba is very rare, but also very deadly. What should you watch out for? CBS 58's Bill Walsh has that story.
Brain-eating amoeba, it sounds scary, and it is scary if you get it, but you probably won't get it, and especially not if you follow one simple precaution.
Luckily, the cases are super rare.
Dr. Dan Shirley, medical director for infection prevention at UW Health, says the Naegleria fowleri amoeba thrives in warm water, so you aren't likely to contract it in Lake Michigan.
It's related to water, fresh water, being really quite warm. And so usually later in the summer in smaller bodies of water like ponds and small lakes where the water temperature can get really warmer than usual.
The amoeba doesn't actually eat brains like a zombie, but it does cause a deadly infection that destroys brain tissue. The CDC says there are only 5 known survivors of PAM, or primary amoebic meningoencephalitis.
The circumstances have to be exactly right for someone to get this.
You can't catch the disease from drinking water. The amoeba doesn't survive in a chlorinated swimming pool, and it has to enter your brain through the nose. So to be safe, wear nose plugs or just watch how you swim.
Try not to dive in and let water shoot up your nose, that type of stuff, just as a general precaution.
The CDC says since 1962, only 154 cases have been identified. The State Department of Health says none of those cases were documented in Wisconsin. In Milwaukee County, Bill Walsh, CBS 58 News.